guys, we're doing a jump map, as you can see. Right, so rules. Oh yeah, I'll put the link in the description if you want to download this. Good. I've got the Yogscast website, which I'm not sure if it was made by them or not, but custom map created by Stephen and Jonathan. Play on peaceful. Let me just check that. Yep. There you go. Jump on blocks to reach the top. Ladders, obviously. Do not destroy blocks. Rage is cool. Probably gonna be a bit of that. Everything is possible. Our people have tested it. And no spawning items. Well, I don't care. So, here you go. I love parkour. This texture pack is nice. I'll put a link in the description for that. I think I might have done it already though. One of my other videos, I'm not sure. It's just so easy. Nope. Yes, I hate those jumps. Anyway, I thought I'd talk about... what could I talk about? Oh, crap. Oh, God. I guess why I started YouTube? Anyway, I started YouTube, I haven't... Oh, God. Okay, I'm gonna die. I haven't been doing... I started this, like, yesterday, but I got inspiration from Skydoes Minecraft, Minecraft Universe, Deadlocks, and ASF Jerome, and Husky Mudkips. Just thought I'd add him on the end because he's good. But yeah, so I just started and wow, yeah, oh crap, yeah. I don't really know what to talk about. Oh god damn it. I'm gonna do this, I'm a badass. I will do a lot more of my videos, like probably, I'll definitely do some Hunger Games with my mate Harry. I'll give a link to his, oh god damn it, I'll give a link to his description I'll give a link to his channel in the description what I'm talking about. Yeah, what's this? Oh. So yeah, short parkour by the looks of it. I'm not sure if this is just it, I don't know if there's more rooms on like, I might try and make, oh god damn it, I might try and make some maps for you guys, I guess. What the, okay. Do not come in, do not come in, do not come in. I want to go in, like real bad. Guess that's what this is for. What? Okay, that's sort of weird, I guess. Just stay in this, I'll spawn back in there. Oh damn, what the hell? I didn't put cheats on, so I can't go back in. Damn it. Just gonna have to keep trying. Spawn me back in there, damn it. There we go. I might have to go on MC Edit and change spawn point for that. It's a bit annoying. Right. I hate one block wide parkour jumps. It's so annoying. That's why I keep failing. So yeah. Oh, and in one of my videos, oh god damn it, one of my videos I uploaded, it's about the, what was it? Yeah, an animation. I need an intro, and if one of you guys could help, like, make one for me, I'd give you a chance to a couple of shout outs. Well, a shout out. You could play Hunger Games, whatever you want to play with me in a game. I'm terrible at parkour. Yeah. Yeah, I'd put you in one of my videos and stuff, obviously. Yeah, it's good. Damn. Yes, right. Could have hit the ladder, but anyway, yeah, so, every time. Yeah, I'm probably getting more videos of Harry than I am on my own, because, I don't know, but it's not easy on YouTube, making people laugh, which I do not. Oh, Jesus Christ. But, anyway, yeah, this is probably gonna take a while. I'm 60 FPS, which is like perfect. So, no lag, well, it shouldn't be. It's like, no offense to people who use fraps or anything, when you use fraps, your FPS just, oh god, it drops, like, and drops megally. I can't use it. You can't handle the, handle the drop. It just drops from like 60 all the way down to 40. Yeah. If you guys want to make like parkour maps or adventure maps you want me to play, that would be great, because I haven't really got much choice at the moment. I'm just selecting from a list of ones I find on the internet. Mini games, stuff like. Let me turn it down a bit. There you go. Yeah, so like Cops and Robbers. I could play Cops and Robbers with you if you like. I don't know. Just help. I'm gonna try that from here. There we go. Got it this time. Oh my god, really? Stupid cactus. Hate cactuses. Gay. Let me just say that. Oh god, I get crazy doing this. It's so annoying. Rage. I normally do sprint parkours. I might download sprint only parkour. Anyway, like after this video, oh come on, if you subscribe, if you could subscribe, give it a like, and share obviously, that would be great. Okay, I'm just gonna cheat from there. No, I can't even do that. That's distracting me a lot. Yeah, I do need a bit of support with this. I've just started, and I don't know how to get, like, so I need a lot of views and a lot of likes and a lot of subscribes for when, like, yeah, it's hard to start doing this. I didn't just do that, but yeah. Okay, just because I don't want to go off the rules, I'm just going to put that back and leave it how it was, just so you don't get annoyed. Unless you think it's funny, which you probably don't, which I don't really care, because I do care, because I need to make you laugh, to get views and whatever. Oh, come on.